Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. Today I thought I would welcome you into my home and have you help me decorate my Christmas tree. Over the next couple of days, we're going to decorate our mantle, and there's a few other things I like to decorate here in my home for the holidays. We're watching some Christmas shows as we go along, so I hope you enjoy. 2 hours later, I'm done with the tree. I stick with the same design every single year. I've had these candy canes on top for I'd say probably the last 12 years or so when I lived in Franklin, Tennessee. I bought those and I still have fell in love with them ever since. So since then, of course, I've added other candy canes, but those top ones are my original. And then I've added some flowers over the time. And then of course, I love my Christopher Radko ornaments. They're the only thing that I really collect and that I adore. And I hope to pass these on to my kids one day. I have 4 grandchildren and I get them a Christopher Radko ornament every single year. And I added this skirt down here last year. I really like that metal skirt. And I add Christopher Radko ornaments at least once every year. I try to get something new for myself. I just feel like they're unique. They're blown glass, each hand painted. So I do cheat. This side of my tree that I don't see is not decorated, as you can see at all. And I can just look at this tree for hours and hours on time, sitting on my couch. Just love it. So leave in comments, tell me what you think. I can't seem to afford 2 or 3 trees after doing this one. And this past year, I got the Santas at half off at Black Lion in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'm so bummed because they're gonna close this year. So I'll have to find me a new resource. Got like lots of snowmans, lots of Santas. My son played hockey for years, and of course this is one of his ornaments. And then he got this one for me last year, so I definitely had to put that up. If you're watching this video, hey Kyle. And this is another Santa that I bought. And some reindeers. This is another Santa. Snowman. And I love that I can find some specialties every now and then. I bought that in Savannah. I got this one in Gatlinburg and it was signed. I bought this one for Kyle last year. And I try to get some boy ornaments as well because I like to be able to pass these on to my kids. So that would definitely go to Kyle. One like this one would go to Kyle. And of course all the girly ones will go to Jenna and Ashley. And I broke one today. You saw that on video. I've never broken one before. My daughter Jenna broke one years ago, but that was my first one that I broke. Just slipped out of my hands. I have these big peppermint candy canes as well. And then my neighbors gave us this last year. All my neighbors that we hang out with. So blessed we have great neighbors all around us. And of course I have some that I bought from like Disney. And these gorgeous flowers that I throw in there. I've replaced some of these over time. You used to be able to buy these that are called Raz, and they were just always really so pretty and decorative. I think this was the one that my daughter broke one of them and I still kept it. I still am able to put it up every year. Merry Christmas, you guys.